This week we've started looking at measurement and how we use a ruler and the different measurements to find the length of an object, the length of a desk, the length of a pencil, how tall somebody is, how far it is to walk across the room. And yesterday we focused on the inch and how to measure to the nearest inch. We need to remember that there's 12 inches in 1 foot and 36 inches in 1 yard. Now, the thing about inches is that trying to find the exact measurement with an inch can become difficult because if we aren't going to the nearest whole inch, we get into fractions. We'll get into half an inch or a fourth of an inch. Well, today, we're going to look at the other side of that ruler, and we're going to look at the centimeter. Now, if you take a look, you'll notice that the centimeter is smaller than an inch. That for 1 inch, there's about 2.5 centimeters. Well, a centimeter is part of the metric unit. The metric unit is the unit that is used throughout the rest of the world. In the United States, we have the U.S. customary unit, and then everywhere else we have the metric unit. Now, the metric unit in measurement is based off of the meter. Now, today, we're talking about the centimeter. Now, centimeter has this prefix here, centi. Now, that means when you think of century or centennial or cents, that means there are 100. So there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Now, the metric system is based off of the number 10. There are many, many different prefixes then that we can add to meter, and they're always increasing by 10. So if we go back and look at our ruler, we see here that we have a ruler with 10 centimeters on it. It starts right here at the edge, and then 1, 2, 3. Now, centimeters, you notice, have these evenly spaced, evenly marked little lines in between. These are called millimeters. Now, there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. So, when we are measuring to the nearest centimeter, we use the same thought that we do for the nearest inch. You'll notice that right in the middle is this little bit longer mark on each centimeter. Well, again, if our line makes it to that, we go up to the next centimeter. If our line is less than that, we go back to the centimeter. So let's take a look at some lines and how we use our centimeter ruler to measure. So here you see we have some lines drawn. Now, to measure these lines, we are going to take our centimeter ruler and we are going to put it right under our line. So we'll take it and put it right under our line. Now, this ruler, unlike our one yesterday, it does start right at the end of the ruler. So we can take that ruler and put it right at the end of our line. Now, when I come down here, I see here's my 8 and here's my 9. So my line is either going to be 8 centimeters or 9 centimeters. When I go find my middle mark, it is right there. My line has not made it there yet, so this line is 8 centimeters. Now cm is our abbreviation for centimeters. I come down here and I take a look at my next line. I'm going to put it right at the end. Now I'm going to notice that it goes between the 2 and the 3. And my middle mark is right here. My line is past that middle mark. So this line is going to go up to 3. So this is 3 centimeters. Take it down to the next one. Do the exact same thing. Now this one is between the 4 and the 5 with the middle right here. My line makes it past that middle number, so I would go up to the next centimeter. So this one would be 5 centimeters. So that is how you measure to the nearest centimeter using the centimeter ruler. Remember, centi means 100 because there's 100 centimeters in a meter, and there are 10 millimeters in a centimeter.